Hello my dear viewers, how are you all? Welcome to my channel DIY Craft Videos. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your days. In this video today I will gonna show you Christmas wreath ideas, outdoor holiday decorations, outdoor Christmas trees ideas. So guys, don't go anywhere, stay with me and keep watching my videos. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. In this video, you will see most beautiful, best wreath ideas for Christmas. So guys, when it comes to Christmas decorations, your outdoor holiday decorations are truly just as important as the ones you hang up inside. Christmas wreaths are a classic yet easy way to instantly up the ante when it comes to your Christmas decor. Whether you spend an afternoon exploring a DIY Christmas wreath ideas or option for a store-bought Christmas option, we guarantee there is at least one door decoration on our list that will speak to your holiday decoration taste and style. Take a look at the organic looking beauties decorated with eucalyptus, pine and earthy flowers. We also love the more whimsical, playful wreaths. Think a wreath decorated to the nines with tiny disco balls, ones that uses Christmas gift bows to make like these designs and these ideas. If you like this video, please press the like button and share my videos as much as you can. I will show you more ideas about Christmas. So guys, don't go anywhere. Keep watching my videos. I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. So guys, please share my videos as much as you can. I want to grow my channel. Please guys, support me and share my videos as much as you can. Bye bye guys. Take care of yourself. Please do remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. And please do share my videos with your colleagues, with your friends.